This is the G sound. Keep watching to find out how it's pronounced in British English. Hi everybody and welcome back to Lean English. I'm Ed and I'm here to help you achieve your pronunciation goals. Before we start, remember to like this video if you find it useful and subscribe for more British English pronunciation lessons in the future. Now let's look at the G sound in a bit more detail. Do you remember the sound which we looked at a couple of weeks ago? The G sound starts in exactly the same position. So first produce the sound. Now do it again, but this time block the flow of air through your nose as well, so that the air and sound are released through the mouth instead. G, G. Well done, you just produced the G sound. This sound is produced by blocking the flow of air between the tongue and the back of the mouth, then building up air pressure and releasing it explosively, while simultaneously producing a sound from the back of the throat. The back of the mouth is called the velum, and this gives the sound its technical name, the voiced velar plosive. Another way to find the G sound is to produce the K sound first. The K sound exists in most languages and it's produced in a similar way, except it's unvoiced. So first produce the K sound. Now do it again, but this time produce a sound from the back of your throat at the same time. G, G. Well done. Obviously, in real conversation, we don't produce the or k sounds first, but you can use these tricks to find the correct mouth position. Now, look at these words. Can you identify the G sound? Now listen and see if you can hear it. Good. Age. Guest. Ghost. Resign. Egg. Exam. Gnaw. The G sound is quite easy to identify in writing because it's usually spelt with a single or double letter G in words such as good and egg. It's occasionally spelt with the letters GU and GH in words such as guess and ghost. And it can be spelt with the letter X in words such as exam. In this case, it's always followed by the Z sound. Be careful because the letter G doesn't always produce the G sound. It may produce a different sound in words such as age, and it may be completely silent in words such as resign and gnaw. The letter G is usually silent when it appears before the letter N, at the beginning or the end of words such as resign, gnaw, foreign, gnome. Now let's practice. Listen and repeat after me. A great game of golf. Illegal drug smuggling. A guide to graphics design. The growth of gangs in the ghetto. I struggle to give examples. When a word ends in a consonant sound and the next word starts with the same consonant, they overlap, and it sounds like just one slightly longer consonant. You can hear this in phrases such as a big game, a smug girl. This is known as gemination, and it's a way of linking words together in connected speech. I recommend you watch my previous video on gemination for more information about this process. Well, that's the end of the lesson, but now it's your turn. Can you think of any more words that contain the silent letter G? Let me know in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.